family. So marriage is not only sharing the last name, but this is only creating your journey together. Next is in the marriage we have types of marriage, which is endogamy, monogamous, monogamy, polygamy, polygyny, polyandry. So in plural polygyny. So in the endogamy, the practice of marrying within a specific ethnic group, class, or social group. So this is just like arranged marriage because
Gatsby, di ba? Gatsby? Okay ko man? Gatsby ba niya? Ano sa? Gatsby. Ano si Gatsby? Jill. Oh. Ano daw? Ay, dili, Jill. Okay. Ano daw? Iya ba? Cukup kontak ron.
Societies that we apply each other. So in
Kalau man sa
exogamous it is okay to marry a partner that is okay to marry a partner that is from the other religion or the other culture. So the differences of endogamy and exogamous is the endogamy again is you cannot marry a partner that is not a same religion as you. And the exogamous is you can marry a partner that is from another religion. And next is polygamy, the practice of having more than one partner or sexual mate. So in polygamy refers to a person, not a female, being married to one or more people at the same time. So the polygamy, both of you allow to marry another man or woman. You're allowed to marry another man or woman.
Jujur.
While the monogamy is a marriage of sexual partners.
Ba't ako polygamy?
For the individual has only one male. So in monogamy, so in short you are loyal to each other. While the polygamy is you can marry another man or woman.
Polygamy.
If you ask everyone,
Polygamy is
what is the difference between monogamy and
polygamy ay isang uri ng relasyon kung saan ang isang lalaki pwede pang makapag-asawa ng marami. Samantalang ang polygamy, meron kang isang asawa.
A man has multiple partners.